Hey guys, Holly here from BuyTheStand.com. I wanted to share this video with you guys so bad. I've been working with this product for a while now and I love it. It's from HeatTransferSource.com, RST Wood. Love this product, you guys. It is fantastic. So the method that we're going to use today does not involve a heat press. So if you don't have a heat press, don't worry, you can still use the RST Wood. I'm going to show you how to use it in conjunction with Mod Podge, but you do need a laser printer. I'm using the OPC 332, and rather than me talking about it, let's just jump right into the project. So here I have an artist panel from the dollar store. It's just a thick piece of wood that we're going to use for our project. I'm going to use Country Chic Luscious Lime just to paint a little bit of watercolor onto the wood, just to give a nice background for my image. So I've just mixed some paint and some water, and we're just going to brush it on just lightly here. While that's drying, we're going to print our image. So I'm going to go to Google here, and I've just found this image of this watercolor cactus. We're going to save it to my MacBook Pro. And then we're going to go down here to the Downloads tab, and we're just going to open it up. We're going to print right from preview mode. So I'm going to go to File, and we're going to go Print. That opens up all our settings here. We want to make sure that we have our O-key printer selected. I'm going to go down here. We're going to change the size to A4. And then we're going to scale it to fit the page because I want it as big as I can get it. Then we're going to go down here, and we want to make sure that we are feeding from the multi-purpose tray. And then we go into printer options, and we want to make sure that we have labels selected. This is very important, so make sure you remember this step. Then we're going to go back up here to layout, and we're going to make sure that we flip our image horizontally. After we've done all that, I'm going to check one more time. I always double check just to make sure that I got the multi-purpose tray, and then we're going to hit print. Here's our image here printed. And what we're going to do is we're going to prepare our wood. So I have Mod Podge, and we're going to basically just put the Mod Podge on the wood, and we want to make sure that we brush it evenly. You want to make sure that your Mod Podge is spread out very evenly, very important. We're going to lay our image down on the Mod Podge, and then we're going to let this sit for about an hour. After an hour, we're going to spray our wood with just water. This is just water. We're just spraying the image, and make sure we get it nice and wet. And then we're going to just smooth out the paper. I'm going to use a damp cloth. I'm just going to smooth it again just to make sure. After we've done that, peel off the paper, and there we go. Our beautiful image has been transferred to our wood. For the top part of my board, I wanted to add some lettering, so I just repeated the process again with another sheet of RST wood. And here we have this gorgeous picture. If you need more information about the products featured in this video, please check out HeatTransferSource.com, and I will see you guys on the next DIY. Bye!